All right, so I broke my microphone stand, so I have to hold this one, which is kind of ironic because today we're talking about stands. Stands of a different type, but stands nonetheless. Today, though, we are, just to kick things off, we're looking at something a little bit different. I know you guys know that I have a very dedicated focus here on the channel, but occasionally something does pop up that piques my interest. And today is one of those days. We're looking at some really cool TV stands from Fitueyes. We've got two different models to look at. We got their Picasso Series stand and their Eiffel Series stand, and both of them have a very distinct look to them that I'm going to dive deeper into with you. And stick with me on this. Just stick with me on this. I know it's not our usual topic, but hopefully you'll see why I decided to do this. I think they're very cool. Starting first with the Eiffel Series. This one gives you a first glimpse into really what caught my eye about this brand. The fact that they put a lot into the design of their stuff. There's almost a scientific look to this TV stand with its trapezoidal frame. I hope I said that right. Trapezoidal. It's got this really cool look to it that's both modern and unique. I personally haven't seen a TV stand of this caliber or the caliber of the other one that we're going to look at, but this TV stand specifically will hold TVs that are 32 to 65 inches in size, and it's super easy to put your TV on it with the provided brackets that they give you in the kit. You can just put it all together, stick your TV onto the brackets, put the bracket on the stand. It's as simple as that, and as you can see here, it's an instant upgrade for small spaces or larger spaces, really. I think it just gives you more options for your TV placement, and it does it with a really fantastic design. Once again, putting the TV stand together wasn't too difficult. It comes with great instructions, and really it maybe took 20 minutes. It wasn't much at all, and again, I think it just looks fantastic. It's really what drew me to agree to make this video in the first place. You can also, just for added convenience, add wheels to the bottom, or you can use the grip feet, which I think just again adds another level of convenience. You can roll it or you can have it stay put, do whatever you want. Moving now though over to my personal favorite of the two, the Picasso series. Now this one is really cool. It looks like an art easel, like something Picasso would have used to create art on. I immediately saw this, latched onto it, and was like, oh, that's freaking cool. I've never seen one like that before. I love the combination of natural wood and industrial iron. I think it looks just so freaking cool. This is the one that really again got me to agree to make this video, because honestly, I have never seen a TV stand that looked like that and looked that cool. And I'm sitting here going, I didn't even know TV stands could look cool. You think of TV stands, you're like, okay, wall mounted, or you got a big old hunkin' entertainment center. Look at this. And I'll tell you, seeing it in person just totally reinforced that, because not only does it look great, but it's super functional too. It's got those easy to hang TV brackets, of course, but look at the back of the unit. Look back here. You can hide almost everything with this felt material that's magnetic. It's a magnetic backing that just pops on and off, keeping everything hidden and organized, so your cords are not taking away from the clean and fantastic aesthetic that this stand really is bringing to the room. Once again too, with this one, putting it together wasn't bad at all. There isn't too much to assemble since this one has less going on. Overall, it's kind of more minimal than the first stand we looked at, so assembly for me wasn't bad. And again, they include really clear and easy to follow instructions, which is something that I absolutely need pretty much with everything. And so that was very easy, very much appreciated once again. And one thing I want you to think about too with these stands is what really it takes to hang a TV these days. I've had to hang quite a few TVs myself. You got to drill holes, you got to find the studs, you got to make sure everything's level, and then if you move, you take everything with you. You got to patch those holes, you got to paint, etc. It's a whole thing. Here, you can take the same TV you were going to throw up on the wall, and you can put it in a space and enjoy it without damaging anything, and probably make the space look better than what you were going to have to begin with. It probably makes your space look better without damaging or doing anything to the walls. The first stand that we looked at, the Eiffel Series, sells on their site for $169.99, and I believe that they are on Amazon as well, so you can check them out there too. The Picasso Series is the same price as well, $169.99, and it can be found on their site, which I will link down below. I highly recommend you browse their site, because these aren't the only two stands that they have. They actually offer quite a few there, so you can take a look at their offerings and maybe match one to your space if these two don't quite fit the the bill for you. They've got a ton of different options on their site, so I highly recommend you at the very least take a look and see for yourself. You might find something very cool. Thanks so much for the opportunity to share this with you today. I know it's not the usual topic that we talk about here, but I really very much appreciate just getting the chance to share something that I think is cool with you guys. I appreciate you guys stopping by and looking at them with me. I will be back with you again real soon. Take it easy. I'll see you next time.